It wasn't letting me go live. Now, mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. I had some technical difficulties. You know what I'm saying? I had some technical difficulties, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? We ain't technical no more, baby. Force on Sundays. Let's get it. Let's get it. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testicles 1 2. Testicles 1 2. Make sure y'all smack that like button. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. Top of the week to all y'all. Top of the week to all y'all. You already know how it goes on these Sundays. We about to get shit lit, man. We about to get it cracking. You dig? So where you from in the chat? Let's start it off like that. Where you from in the chat? Let's get the chat active. Where y'all from in the chat? Let's get this chat active, baby. Oh yeah, where my sounds at? See, I had the technical difficulties, so it threw me off the sounds for the day. But we about to get the party back live, so I gotta finish rolling up. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost done. Gotta finish rolling up. When I'm done, then yeah, it's lit. Nigga. It's lit, baby. We got that motion. Oh yeah, let's get it cracking.
Just hop in your whip and slide. If I hop in the club and you don't give a fuck, with the drum inside.
Come on, roll up with me right now. Let's get it cracking.
Up the slide, up the slide, 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 slide.
Jersey in the building. Say less, say less.
Up the Glock 2 times and slide. Up the Glock
What's
3
in the
times
lead?
now. Get at. Get at.
Cake is in the leaf. Oh yeah.
Get at. Get at. Get at. Whoa, whoa. Get at. Get at.
Let's go. Forks on Sundays, ladies and gentlemen. You know the vibes. Come on. Yeah, hey, oh yeah, we got that party action cracking today. I can't wait to see y'all on the tour. I can't wait to see y'all on the tour. You gonna go stupid. Come on. Let's get these charts loaded up, baby. We gonna start with that last pack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We back in this bitch. Yeah.
He said, who there later? She dragged me out. And then before it got tough, I blew a knee out. I'm highly.
Let's get it cracking. Come on. Let's get the bigs popping. Oh yeah. Let's get it cracking. We gonna start in that big 30.
I ain't never scared money, keep it right from the phones. It belongs in my pocket, I ain't giving no loans. Put the money in the fund and turn the temperature on. We just doing max
Turn that shit up.
keep percentage at home. I'm trying to move the whole
Turn up your
thing in
speakers right
5
now, let's get it
minutes
popping.
alone. And I'm
For us on
in the
Sundays,
zone,
ladies and
bitch, time to
gentlemen.
leave me alone. Run the place, take it back to the hustle.
Understand,
Keep
this the
gloves in
place
my
to
pocket
be, you
like
feel
I'm
me?
Karl
Let's go.
Malone. I double little bitch, she can't profit for show. Used to keep me in safe, I keep it safe in my balls. Keep the steel on my side and the steelers involved. If the money get high, we take it hot off the stove. Give us in the kitchen, chemistry, a brick in the rose. Mix the
We gonna read that
digital,
for what it
still
is.
never mix with a bride. In the money game, hoes a hit a lick and get on. This ain't a sweepstakes, bitch, pack your bags and get on. Need another light 10 for the time on my phone. If the 10 pack hitting, run it back for the home. In the market, all shots, I've been a dog since you know. If you think I'm too cold, I'm sending shots like Ginobili. I'm on my will, Chamberlain and hitting plays like I'm Kobe. I'll always be a fool if I buy what you sold me. Money never lie, barely even believe what you sold me. Always be finessing, I be on my Barneys and Nobles. I've been never stressing, I've been switching cars and I love
Let's get
it.
it.
I love all my blessings, now I'm making thousands like nothing. Easy pickings
call.
off the tree, bitches in the discussion.
You already know the vibes, man. That Force on Sunday shit be having us lit, having us jumping around here, man. Having us jumping around here. But now, Jersey in the building, St. Martin in the building, Columbus in this joint. Definitely. Trey gang shit. Run it up. So take note, last Friday was NFP. If you do not know what NFP is, it's non-farm payrolls. You guys can look more information up about it, the full definition. But basically, it's a date where there's a lot of volatility inside the market. You know what I'm saying? Some people hunt it down. They can't wait for NFP because they know it's about to be a lot of volatility. Means, you know, shit, price moves into one direction really fast. You can make a lot of money. You know, on the contrary, you could lose a lot of money as well. All right. So that's the reason people like NFP. You feel me? But look, take note of the direction and the strength of the dollar. So we could possibly get a rate test, but I mean, it's pretty strong. Just looking at the daily, looking at what's going on, although I'm always looking at support, which is right here, which has to be broken. Now price does this funky thing where it bounces off support, and you know, before it breaks through, it's gonna bounce off. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, do I expect the dollar to get lower and bust through? If so, then possibly yeah. Because I mean, look at this joint right here. You feel me? So we got that going on too. Just simple shoots and ladders, simple channels. You feel me? Simple channels. Y'all basically get this game if you are watching that video or have watched that video, understand the Japanese candlesticks. It speaks about channels, you know what I'm saying? So me personally, I feel that, you know, the channels are the easiest way to trade. Sometimes they're there for me, and then sometimes they're not. All right, sometimes I just don't have it there at all. All right, but what I need you to do right now is smack that like button. Just show YouTube that you're engaged. Let's get that like button cracking. You know what I'm saying? Let's get that like button cracking. I want to move on, but we got to get the likes up, man. We got to get the likes up, because really, you know, this show is really all about engagement. Forex on Sundays is about engagement. It's about being as active as possible. It's about being lit. You know what I mean? So definitely, I want you guys to be turned up on here. I want you to be as active as possible, you know, actively talking in community, actively just, you know, engaging with each other. That's the way to build. That's the way to run it up. And what's dope is the show. So January 28th, definitely you want to come out, you know, see me live in LA. I'll publish the date, but I'll publish the, well, not necessarily the flyer, because the flyer not done, but the flyer should be done in like 1 or 2 days. But I'll publish the information either later today or first thing in the morning, and tell you guys where you can get your tickets and stuff like that. But we about to go up. We're gonna have a phenomenal time, so I can't wait to see you. But you know, all in all, smack the like button. Let's get it cracking. You feel me? All right, so DXY, DXY, DXY. We got how price coming down into this 103 area. If it doesn't break through, then it's just gonna sit here, pretty much bake off this shit, and end up coming back to 104. You have price sitting between 103 and 104 for the holidays, basically all of December. Here's the 10, well, it kind of peaked 105, and then it hit almost 106 on NFP, like the last 2 days or last few days of the week. You feel me? But like I said, generally, here's the two price points that is in between, which is like this 104 high. It's like 104.7. The low is like 103.5. You feel me? So price is just in between there. So until we get a full breakout, then that's when we'll be able to be like, okay, the dollar's about to drop out of here. Right now, it looks like we're getting some nice bearish volume to the downside. We get price busting through support, then easy call. You already know we'll probably end up at like 101 or a little bit lower. You feel me? So let's move on. Nice. All right. So I don't know when the last time I touched these charts. So I don't even know what this markup is. If the dollar keep falling, gold could probably hit about 1900, 1914. It's a lot more volume there. I feel like if we get that early retest, gold will probably drop to like 53. This is the daily too, so mind you, these are bigger moves. You feel me? I'm just looking at the grand scheme of shit. Right now, gold is trending up. So, I mean, I expect it to keep printing candlesticks until it's not. Where we're currently at is a nice little resistance point. It'll be a nice little liquidity zone. So, you know, people are going to start trying to take shorts off the highs of gold. I would say just wait, let the market show you direction. If it gives you that, then yeah, this will be a dope little area to get, you know, some of the pullback. If we do get some nice pullback, then 1850 to 1827, those will be some dope areas for gold to go ahead and just fall back to. You feel me? Do you feel me? But I feel like if the dollar is crushed this week, then we definitely could expect gold to go a little bit higher. It's already bullish. You already see it pretty much headed top side. So once we crack out of this, what is this, 1870, 1880 area, then we can see gold start smacking up early into the early 1900s. You feel me? Yeah, feel me. North Carolina. Yeah, North Carolina. PD Pablo got that song. Twist around your head like a roller coaster. That shit was hard. Sturdy. All right, nice. So let's go ahead and mark up that sturdy. This candlestick, 600 points from NFP. Price smacked off a nice little support. Got rejected to downside. Wouldn't break. Solid support. I feel like we can possibly get price smacking like 34 as of right now. Since this is the daily, I would need you to take a look at this zone right here. Feel me? This could potentially give us some pullback. All right, potentially give us some pullback, so the market could start, you know, earlier in the week, potentially dropping down to about 33.3, about 300 points. Just, you know, get back into this nice little retest zone right here, right here. Right here where these candlesticks are at, you feel me, in this area right here. So I feel like the market to start early. I'll be looking to try to either take some buys right here and keep moving in motion if we get it, or if it busts underneath, then I'll let it get a little bit lower and then try to get some shorts if I have to. But generally, I'm looking for the market to come down so we can rebuy and you know, get positioned. I think that that's gonna be a solid ass play for the week, especially depending on the dollar. I feel like we might retest this 34, and when we get to the 34, it's already a pin bar here, so potentially shit, it gets to this 34 here and a bitch just drop up out of there, you feel me, to the downside. So we'll see what the market does in this week. Once again, I know at the beginning of the week, or maybe even Sunday coming into Monday, I'm just expecting a slight little retest, like a little pullback, you feel me? So I'm definitely looking for that pullback to come before I look for any bullish action. If I do want to take some buys or look for some buys, it's gonna be at like 33.3 or a little bit lower. Yeah, dig. I feel like I'm gonna have to save markup on the asset, save markup on SPY. But let's see. Let's see. What's your favorite thing to trade? Let's get it cracking in this bitch. What's your favorite thing to trade, man? What's your favorite thing to trade? Let me know in the chat. If you're new here, if you're new to the stream, man, make sure y'all smack that like button and show YouTube that you're engaged. I said engaged. Engaged. I like this shit to be like a vibe, you feel me? I like this shit to be a vibe. I just joined the Signal group. Can't wait to get this year started. Oh yeah, this year's definitely about to be a dope year. Somebody said EU. US 30, Goldilocks, GU. Okay, those are some dope pairs. I feel like those are some dope pairs. Indexes or die. Oh, you fuck with the indexes heavy. Okay, I understand. Australian US dollar. Built smooth without a lot of fake outs. Okay, that's solid. That's solid. US 30 even in the next life. Nice, nice. NAS 100. Big under FTMO NASDAQ killer. Run it up. Nasty. How do you feel about putting a stop loss on the daily chart for swing trading? Well, if you're using the daily chart for trading, then obviously, you know, you're going to be putting all your risk management measures there on whichever chart you're using, whether it's the 5 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and even the daily. You get me? Somebody said they like that dirty 30. Easy call. Let's get back to the charts. And back to the charts. Back to the charts. It's an art. To run it up, you don't even gotta be smart. You really don't though. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Well, I don't remember the last time I marked this up, but shit. Whenever I marked it up is when it was marked up. Probably last year. All right, price banked off support, NFP candlestick, boom. I mean, we pretty much see where we got with it. You know what I mean? Low key, it looks like a double bottom down there on NAS. So, I mean, we could potentially rise, but mind you, this is the daily, you feel me? So I just want you to see where we're at on the daily. Like, this is a lot of resistance up here. So before I see a push up, like I'm expecting in 30, I'm expecting NAS to drop a little bit down into like this zone. So maybe like 100, 200 points, you feel me? Drop a little bit, then boom, push back up if it's to do so. It'll just fill out the channel, you know what I'm saying? Trading within the channel is just keeping shit extremely simple. If we get a full breakout past this resistance, this solid. Fuck it, we just gotta trade the breakout, and then we'll start stacking up buys and, you know, pushing it all the way, you know, higher as it's gonna go ahead and progress. But like I said, I just feel like price go pull back, because that's the normal flow of things. It's just like ocean, you know what I'm saying? Expect the price to pull back and then boom, flow forward. Okay, we at like 125 right now. Yeah. We need to get them likes up. Let's get at least like 100 likes. We can at least do like 100 likes to start the day off. Let's get it cracking. Let's start off the Forex on Sundays with 100 likes. You feel me? 100 of them things. We almost there. Let's get there. Just smack that shit. If you're alive right now and you're thriving right now, go ahead. All right, so this was an old market from last year. I guess I expected SPY to drop all the way down. It did drop all the way down. It could potentially get down there, because technically we're here in this little zone right here. NFP Friday, potentially price could come up to about 4,000. I see price going up to 4,000, and then it could boom drop out of 4,000. Right now, here's the daily, so same thing. You know what I'm saying? I still expect price to just pull a little bit down, but I do feel like maybe at the bottom of these sales right here, sales. So 90, what is this? About 30 points up. I feel like, because SPY don't really have too much up here. You feel me? It's not like a bunch of resistance. We got like a little bit right here. It kind of peaks over the top of it. We sitting like right here. I feel like it might try to fake niggas out, go up a little bit, hit this point where it's more, you know what I'm saying, where it's more of a zone, and then boom, pull up off of here and drop to the downside. It's still guessing, but I would have to go into a smaller time frame. You feel me? Play it by ear. I know I'm about to be scalping my ass off for the marketplace, especially just starting off the new year. So the people who do rock with me and vibe with me, you know what I'm saying, in those groups and stuff like that, then definitely, you know, I'm about to be scalping my ass off, making money both ways, you know what I'm saying, up and down in this market. So that's what I'm pretty much waiting for. I always use the channels as like a guide to just ensure, you know, that's what it is. When the price does break out like one of these little channels, then you definitely can expect an extreme shift and tilt in, you know, where price action is going. You said, do I ever use RSI? I know I keep the charts clean. Well, I do not use the RSI. I don't really use anything except channels. Sometimes you see I use these rectangles. The rectangle tool is right here on TradingView. So if you guys want to know where the rectangle tool is at, it's right here. People put any type of fancy name they want on the rectangle tool, but you know, sometimes I use the rectangle tool. It helps me with scopes and stuff, but I like to use trend lines, and I like to use the rectangle tool to be my guide. You know what I'm saying? They got the rectangle tool on your what's that, on your MetaTrader 4 as well, iPhone and Android. Let's get it. All right, so I do Bitcoin last always, so we're gonna go to Euro USD. This is nice. All right, we got price making off some nice support right here. Nice bullish candlestick. We're gonna go ahead and couple that with DXY. You know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. So check this out. If we get DXY crashing to the downside this week, then definitely you got Euro USD pulling to the top side. We already looked at DXY. We see what type of trend it's in. Is this thing going down like this, or is this little swoop going up like this right here? And then you can answer that for yourself. So like I said, we're gonna trade what we see. You know what I mean? We're gonna trade what we see. I definitely expect to see the dollar chill at this support level for a minute. It may pull back up off this support, but if it busts through, then expect Euro USD to get up to about 108, possibly you know, yeah, about 108. That's right here. Yeah, let's use this rectangle at the top of this candlestick wicks. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it simple for you. I'm gonna put it in layman terms, and you can go put your own terms on it, terminology. You know what I mean? I'll keep it simple for you though. But definitely, you know, people been asking what broker I use. I use Henko Trade. You know what I'm saying? The link is in the description. I know we got another giveaway coming up soon. It's gonna be I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 grand. Gotta see what I want to do, man. Gotta see what I want to do. And then I got a MacBook giveaway coming up as well, and that's gonna be attached to this event. So definitely in the next 2 weeks, you want to be tapped into either my Instagram or my YouTube. You know what I mean? So yeah, this was old. So this was shit, I don't know, 2022 sometime. Delete that. That's the markup for there. There's a slide to that Young GU, yeah. Hey, Young GU, yeah. I'm at the Young GU, yeah. That young GU, yeah. All right, so boom, see a nice little cluster right here. I'm like, okay. Then boom, I'm like, oh, NFP candle banked off of here. Oh, say less. So what I'm about to do is take the rectangle and expand it. Boom. Okay, so we got a nice little zone right here. Nice little zone right here. So you look, nigga, I am gonna tell y'all like this. Look, check it. So if the dollar drop, you feel me? If the dollar drop, you feel me? Gen GBP USD gon' pop. You know what I mean? If the dollar drop, then this pair definitely gonna bust. It's already looking nice off the support. It's already looking like a nice engulfing. What a engulfing candle is a candlestick that does what? That eats other candlesticks. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then technically it eat these two. You feel me? It kind of did like the tops, but it engulfed all of this right here. Cause look at the white line. So this is where the white line is at. So that's the top of that candlestick. You feel me? So it ate all of that. So you could say, damn, that is a nice engulfing candlestick. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna run it back because I didn't know it was on my face. But yeah, so you see these candlesticks right here? Here's the white line. That's the top of the candlestick. That's the high and the close. Feel me? So basically, it ate all of these right here. Boom. That's considered an engulfing. You feel me? I got you. No, I got you. I got you. So that's considered a engulfing right here. This candlestick right here. A engulfing candlestick or the daily at support. I mean, shit, it could be nice. Once again, if we get some pullback, okay, cool. The pullback because we're going to start the week off anyway. Or the shit could just keep busted, you know, in direction that it already is. End up going a little bit higher. But once again, everything is going to be dependent on what this dollar is going to do. You feel me? Technically, I only got, what's this? UK oil. Basically, I only got oil left and Bitcoin. Niggas then ran through the charts quick. I be trying to slow it down to make it, but I mean, shit. Trading is really simple like that. You don't have to sit there for a whole 15 years to make it. You know what I mean? Like, this is something where you literally can do this and do anything. Like, you have no excuse. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could do this shit and do anything because it doesn't. You're not on the charts doing physical work. You get what I mean? So since it's not requiring you to technically do physical work, you just set your shit and you forget it. You know what I'm saying? Set it up, set your play, and just let it run. So you do here? Well, go ahead and smack that like button. Smack that like button. Smack that like button. All right, so that was the time where I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to shout out what pairs you want me to check out. You know what I'm saying? So we can check out something from the audience. So let's see. Let's do a hot and cold meter real quick. So what type of pairs would you want me to look at right now? Let's go ahead and check the chat. I don't know where the chat is. I think it's going to be like right here. So what type of pairs should I look at right now? What's something you want me to go ahead and check out? Because, I mean, I really only got 2 left. So while I'm here, let's get it. You feel me? Let's see. Some people said trading is a hobby. Come back and profit. Hey Ty, is there a gap for GBP USD? Won't the price go back down to correct it? Potentially, it's gonna be dependent on the dollar. If the dollar starts moving top side, then yeah, we can get that. You feel me? I don't know why the comments not rolling, but I see what you guys are saying right here. All right, so yen, US dollar, AUD USD. I like AUD USD. That's my shit. I fuck with it. Did I do the big girls already? Shit, you already know I went through those. I went through those for sure. Yeah, see, that's good because you already know that's that good eating. You know what I'm saying? That's that good eating. Shit. Hey, I was about to be subjected to a life of slop, nigga. I for sure wasn't about to be eating the good food, man. I was just ordering out. You know what I mean? So your boy was making some very interesting decisions that past 2022, you know what I mean? But in 2023, oh, what it's gonna be? Oh yeah, don't even trip. Let's get back to the charts though. make sure y'all smack that like button. If you're new here, smack that like button. If you're active and you're watching this and you got a finger, smack the like button. Any finger, it don't even matter. If you got a nose, any type of nose, smack the like button. Let's get it cracking. You feel me? Same type of vibe over here. Now AUD look like it's about to push though. It look like it's about to push. But I do want you to check out this what's going on right here. So here's some nice little SNR for you, just so you can kind of see the vibe. You can really play it by zones too. So you can either A, run it with the wicks like this, or B, hit it with the rectangles, and then you turn it into a little zone. Boom. Sit it right up under there. And all I'm looking for, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. There we go. Now look, all I was looking for is this, bro. Just to see, oh yeah, ladies too, my bad, ladies too, my bad. Just to see where we're at in price. Now DXY compared to what we're trading against, once again, it's like a football team. So have you ever had something like watching the NFL and you see like the Tampa Bay Buccaneers versus the Miami Dolphins? You get what I'm saying? So then you're like, okay, let's just say AUD is the Miami Dolphins and then the USD is the Buccaneers. You get what I'm saying? So whenever one has more momentum, that's where the pair is going to shift. So that's why I always look at it like that. You feel me? That's why I always look at it like that. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool. So with DXY looking like we're going to potentially print to the downside right now, we're at a heavy support. I do feel like price is going to pull back a little bit. So that's going to cause this to go ahead and pull back a little bit. And then when we do take buys, it may be a little bit lower, you feel me, than price. If you rush it, okay, cool. So people might get caught at the top. Price might sit up here and then boom, drop on you just to come back to a little buy zone just so we can boom, go back up and get back cracking. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, when it comes to this trading stuff, everything is not always what it seems. You got to think it's like, it's market flow and it's ebbs and flows and opportunities in this bitch. So you have to understand like the market flow. You feel me? As price is pulling back, when price is too high to buy, when price is too low to sell. You feel me? Sometimes, you know, the key to the breakout is if it breaks through, not, you know, if and when it breaks through. Sometimes prices sit at support and it doesn't break through and then it pushes back up. But the breakout, once again, is if and when it breaks through. So if that's not what it is, then it just turns into what it already been, which is support and or resistance, or, you know, some people call it supply and or demand. You feel me? Let's get it popping. Somebody said simple. Oh yeah, definitely super simple. Let's get another pair for the audience. Like I said, we only like 28 minutes in, but this is simple. It only take like 2 seconds to look at it. This shit. So let's get it. Oh yeah, yo Wood, I'm about to play this one on stream. Let's see. I don't know why it's not playing. Oh yeah. Get that shit popping real quick. Alright, so German 30. Okay, any discount on signals? Nah, it's $100 a month and you get an index signals and everything. Shit, you put a 0.01 on some brokers on an index signal, one of them shits that you make back, that's that hundo right there. Boom, 200 points, 300 points. Come on now. You know what I'm saying? You get 30 days of that. Like, you're going to be all right. Somebody spam it, GJ. Okay, cool. Somebody spam it, GJ. Let's get it.
Pull up in another car, I'm about to switch. Bitch, whoa, burning out and I might spin. She looking good and I'm talking about your best friend. She looking at me like she been trying to get it in. Bend her over, tell her something that she trying to hear. Bitch, whoa, I be on my Jimmy Hen. And off the hen, I'm a dog, then. Bitch, whoa, pink coat since a little kid. I'm about to fuck it up for the whole year. Fuck it up, girl, gon' fuck it up. Fuck it up, girl, gon' fuck it up. Fuck it up, girl, gon' fuck it up. Fuck it up, girl, gon'.
I got all the little bakers on lock. I got all the bakers just sitting back, ready to go. We gonna go stupid this year. We gonna go stupid this year for sure, for sure. Like I said, I just want y'all to come through, Harding and vibe with me. You know what I'm saying? Get some drinks, get loose, turn up. Hey, I don't know if it's gonna be bring your own blunts. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's gonna be bring your own blunts or not. I don't know, because I think I might have weed vendors there, so y'all could just buy weed. You know what I'm saying? Support the community. You know, that's what it is. And I mean, I ain't charging y'all a bunch anyway. So you go there, you support the community, buy some weed, buy some blunts, roll up, have a good time. You know what I mean? Got the food vendors there, eat some tacos and shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely. Easy call. So this is GBP. Price already broke out the bottom of here. This the daily. Gotta look left. 158. Big ass engulfing candlestick. Not necessarily morning star, but we got some strong action here. I'm just reading candlesticks. I gotta read the situation. You feel me? Looks like we're gonna continue pushing top side potentially. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay. All right, so price may keep selling out of this area. Buys may be lower coming into the week. 30 pips, anything 160 and up. Shit, that shit gonna float. Really, you could just set buy stops over 160 if you want to. 160, 160.2. Shit, that's like 40 pips, 40, 50 pips. And then you'll float that 160 to 161 or 162. That's like a 200 pip play, 300 pip play if this shit break top side. Like I said, I feel like it's gonna sell off a little bit first though. You feel me? But if we do get any action over this, yeah, I need y'all to snipe that up. Anything over that, snipe that up, nigga, because that's 200. You feel me? So let me see. Look at the weekly. I got you. I got you. Yo, what's good, Ty? What's going on, Ty? Yo, what's good? Trading Secrecy, EJ. Dream Eater. Wood on the beat. Let's get it. Let's get it. He said, what's going on, Ty? What was it like to quit your 9 to 5? When did you feel ready? I feel pretty close. I'm curious. To be honest, you don't ever really feel ready. And for me, I don't know. I guess, shit, I be on my own little grind. Like, I already had a lot of shit going on, so I never really felt that I was even supposed to be working a job. I just felt above the job title. So all my jobs, you know, I worked it for the money, but I just looked at it like, okay, this is a stepping stone to like get to where I really want to go, a stepping stone to do exactly what it is that I want to do. You know what I mean? So that's how I looked at it. So me quitting a job, if it wasn't really, you know, what I love to do, then nah, I'm not fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Like I tell you in a lot of videos, my favorite thing to do was say no. Like you got to be able to say no, and then stand on that shit. You feel me? So I would say quit when you're ready. You know, I tell people have enough money stacked up, but some people would be like, nah, they just go for it. And, you know, they're like me. Like, you know, I was hitting in binary and my rent was like $680. So all I had to do was make $680 to keep my rent on, my light bill. I don't remember how much that was, but for rent and lights, that's just what it was. You feel me? Like $600-700. So it's like, okay, well, that's all I need to make. It didn't matter how I made this shit. Like, did I have to work a job? No. You get what I'm saying? So you just gotta put your bills into perspective and put your expenses into perspective. And then yeah, and then also I would say like you don't gotta live outside your means either. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody wanna scale up to the big shit fast, but like you could just take your time, stack your bread, save all your money. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't have to live the social media life. If you want to, fuck it, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Spend your shit. But I'm just telling you, like, bro, sis, it's just, you know, keep your money in your pocket. You feel me? The thing is, do you want to last? Do you want to be around for 5 years? Do you want to be around for 10 years? Do you want to set yourself up for wealth for the next 25 years? You got to like ask yourself these real questions. You know what I'm saying? Ask yourself what it is that you really want to do. Set goals, set purpose, and then like go achieve that shit. You feel me? Niggas be afraid. You feel me? You feel me? But nah, let's get one more marker from the audience, and then I'm about to slide up out of this bitch, man. You already know I just spoke my bleezy with y'all on Sunday, my little early morning blunt. Smoke my early morning, and then we get it cracking like that. Hey, go get the book, Trade or Die. Let me see how we do it right now too. Let me see how we do it. I don't know how we do it on Amazon. You could get it out if you want to buy it directly and you don't want to wait for a very long time. You could just go to the link in my bio right now and go grab that. You know what I'm saying? You can go grab that if you need it. If you need it. If you need it. And then here we go. Let's see. I'm at 70 right now, but shit, that shit fluctuate every day. We'll be at that top 100 every single day. This that bitch on Amazon. So y'all make sure you come through. If you already read the book, make sure you just go ahead and drop a review. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and drop a review at Amazon. You could drop a review at Goodreads. You feel me? So wherever, just make sure y'all show some love. You know what I'm saying? Drop a review. People have take a picture of it. Somebody took a picture of it. You feel me? So run that shit up. You feel me? Somebody took a picture of it and shit. So y'all could do the same type of thing. Just run that shit up. Show some love. You feel me? Show some love. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. For the next pair though. For the next pair. For the next pair. Also, not only is this event like a concert and, you know, a performance and a vibe and shit like that, but like I'm gonna be signing the books as well. So bring your books. Bring something I can sign. I got you, like I said, I'm an author as well. You know, we got that Trade or Die published. That's official. You feel me? So yeah, like people have went to Barnes and Nobles, people have ordered from Target, Walmart. So that's official. You feel me? Let's get it. Definitely, like, you want to tap in, bring your book so I can make sure I sign your book. You know what I'm saying? Get a flick and shit, and let's run it up. Let's start building a very strong, dapper community. I want everybody to be engaged in this community as we go state to state, country to country on this tour. And yeah, I can't wait to meet everybody. Like I said, let's get it. So next pair, give me a next pair, then we out of here. Or I usually do like oil. All right, so the price of oil still look like it's dropping. All right, if we break up out of this support, then oil end up at like 75. That's like $3 or more down. This off the 4 hour though. So off the daily, it's sitting at like a doji. Yeah, it's a doji. Pin bar to the downside. Okay. Well, oil look like it's just gonna continue pretty to the downside, so I feel like oil gonna drop down to about 75, about $3 or $3 more. The price of gas is substantially lower. You feel me? So yeah, let's get it. Bro said the tour gonna be legendary, bro. That shit gonna be lit as fuck. We kicking off in LA January 28th, so definitely. Let's get that shit lit, man. Let's see. Somebody said USD. We already did go. We could do. I'll do this with. Then we go be done. Make sure y'all smack that like button too. Oh well, that's my booking email for people who want to book me to do all type of shit, promotions, everything like that. We gonna get it popping. You feel me? We gonna get it popping. What I do like is price actually came up and banked off of this old little trend line I had jumping right here. So I do feel like hey, if the US dollar does get weak, it's gonna keep bleeding off of there. It's definitely gonna keep bleeding. 130, that's like 200. So you got like 200 pips. So if USD keep dropping, definitely guaranteed this pair should keep sliding to the downside. I think that's some pretty useful information. And then also, like, I'm about to start having different lives during the week. You know what I'm saying? just covering different topics and stuff, just life values, relationship stuff. You feel me? Just stuff like niggas done been through shit in life. So feel like I can help y'all get through some shit in life. You feel me? You said, am I gonna be on time next week? Yeah, I am. I was having technical difficulties. I kept trying to stream, and what was going on is for my stream, bro, like there's like a stream key or whatever, so I had the wrong stream key. I found that out after like 20-30 minutes of wondering why every time I went live it wasn't popping up over here on the but that was that was technical shit, but I figured it out. You feel me? I figured it out. But definitely make sure y'all grab y'all tickets to Los Angeles, because it's going up in Los Angeles. I think Chinatown, or a little bit close to Chinatown. So it's gonna be lit. You feel me? It's gonna be lit. That's all I gotta say. I want y'all to really turn up with a nigga, babe. We gonna go stupid in there. But yeah, let's vibe out. And I'm gonna see y'all. Feel me? We always gotta get shit cracking. I think this was a pretty dope stream. Am I pulling up to the bay? I for sure gonna pull up to the bay. I'm for sure gonna pull up to the bay. I'm for sure pulling up to the bay. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, we're gonna do LA to Bay. People from San Fran gonna have to go, you know what I'm saying, do their thing, because you got San Fran and Oakland and shit. You feel me? I mean, not San Fran and Oakland, but you got Oakland and you got all the other respective cities around there. You feel me? So definitely that's gonna be a vibe. When am I coming to London? Shit, I think I don't know. But I know when I do, it's gonna be lit as fuck. You feel me? I guess when I get by the time I get to London, shit, it's gonna be hard to move through London. Goddamn, they gonna be like, I'm about to be like, goddamn, bro. Yeah, we gonna go crazy. We gonna go crazy out there. You feel me? Because after, like I said, after the first few shows, y'all gonna see, like, this year I'm outside the whole year. So I mean, you see the studio shit. I'm gonna put more vibes out so more people can start tapping in to what it is that I got going on. People been asking like, oh, what you be up to? So I don't fuck around. I'll fuck around and show you. I'll go ahead and show you, man. Go ahead and show y'all. Somebody said, hey, man, I appreciate you, man. I read that damn book twice. I see the way you think. I'm going to meet you one day for sure. Hey, that's lit. That's lit. Hell yeah. Make sure you leave a review on Amazon, Brody. You know what I'm saying? If you can, take a picture with it and leave a review like that. Those are always dope as well. You feel me? And or Goodreads, wherever reviews are at. But yeah, just make sure you leave a review somewhere where it's public, where people can see the appreciation as well. That'd be pretty dope, man. I definitely would appreciate that. You feel me? Let's run it up. But hey, man, I'm about to slide out of here. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. This Forex on Sunday. Every single Sunday, you guys will start getting a schedule link, so you will be able to see when it is that I'm going live. Usually it's going to be 9:30 every single Sunday, so now you know. So we can start going crazy. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Ty, and I'm about to slide, and I'm out. Let's get it.